Good afternoon. Clinton coming to you guys. Today is April the 18th, and I just wanted to show you guys a quick snippet of my back office kits that are actually pending, as well as the total amount that have been mailed thus far. And as we look over here, pending 0 in position 1, 7 in position 2, 3 in position 3, and the kits currently that's out there in circulation. 72 kits in position 1, 107 in position 2, 76 in position 3. And the total costs I've saved on mailings, meaning that the admin handles all of the kits, printing of the kits, customizing them in your name, placing your ID number on the return address envelope, and sending them out. I've saved $79, and I think that's pretty good. What other program you know that they're going to send your mail out, get your kits ready, and you don't have to pay for it? None that I know of. Stay tuned, and I'll show you what I've made in as far as commissions up to this point. Okay, folks, I'm back, and now I'm under the My Money tab. And as you guys may have seen, I did a video yesterday, which was entitled a pre-commission video for the amount of $240. So I'm not going to really count that, and I'm just going to start showing it in the back office. This column here, and those of you who are members of the program know under the My Money tab, you're familiar with the way this looks. On the left, it shows you the date that your commissions were mailed, the date that they were earned, and the person that came in. And I'm not showing any information as far as addresses and all that kind of stuff, but 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40. So this was mailed off yesterday, and I'd like to welcome Lance, whose payment was received today, and he's about to get going here shortly, and I think he just uploaded a video. Great marketer, even better sponsor, so look out for more videos from Lance, and I'm sure you guys feel the way I feel about him as a marketer and a sponsor. He's a really good person to work with. But and I'm going to show you guys on the next slide the money I've earned from the time I've started, which I think was the 21st of March. So it hasn't been a full month yet, and I'll just show you guys here shortly what that total is. So I'm just going to keep a running total every week to let you know how I'm doing with this program, and how you too, once you just start to get eyes on your website and start getting members in who start doing the same, and once this thing starts compounding, you're just going to be looking in your back office and seeing kits that are getting requested, you know, that you had nothing to do with. And that's the beauty of the compounding factor and the leverage factor of this program, which is wonderful. So stay tuned, and I'll show you guys the total that I have from the 21st up until this point. Okay, folks, now you see the total, and I can look to the left of my screen, which you can't see. I got my link on the 21st of March, so 3 days from now, that'll be a month, and the total I've earned is $780. And as you can see here, these are all ones, meaning these are my personal enrollments. And as you know, when you request your kit, it's 3 to 4 days, depending on where you live, to get your kit. 3 to 4 days to send your payment in. And then the good thing about it, you're getting your link expeditiously. Once that payment arrives, you're getting your link via email, whatever email it was that you listed when you got the information to request the kit. Well, gave your information and requested the kit. And make sure you always check to make sure that the emails that come from Club Catch Fund are not going into your spam folder. And you basically just need to send all that mail back to your primary folder. But yeah, it's about a 8-day turnaround from the time that you request your kit, and if you're sending your money right off, getting it back in before you receive your link to go ahead and get started. So you're looking at a good 2 weeks if you start to getting your kits requested. And of course, your members have to go through the same process unless they're really excited about getting going and speed up the process by maybe sending it in priority mail or express. You know, you got to be really, really serious to send something in express, you know what I mean? But I can understand priority, because this program, once the leverage kicks in, as you saw the kits that I have out, it gets exciting. You know, I don't think I've gone more than 4 or 5 days, well, 4 days without getting a You've Got Cash notification, which those are great to see. But yeah, once again, folks, I've earned a total of $780 so far. But as you see, the compounding factor and the leverage factor is starting to kick in, so it's only going to get bigger. And it's the same thing that's going to happen to you if you just realize this is not a race. You start getting your kits out there. You never know who you're going to get. You might get a great marketer, and they just have all kind of kits getting requested. You don't know who you might get. So keep plugging away. The good thing about it, you're not wasting any money on sending flyers out of postcards, because the owner sends out, the moderator sends out all of the requested kits on your behalf, so we're not wasting any money. So hey, just get your link shown, find out ways to market it. I'm sending some emails. I just joined this email program where you get 100 emails a day, and hey, I'm just trying it out. You know, I just post my YouTube videos, my proof videos, send out a few emails. People who send me offers through my email, I just turn around and show them this opportunity. Hey, I don't know who wouldn't want to not spend money on sending postcards and flyers out and just market a link. I don't know who wouldn't want to do that. But anyway, Clinton Tyler showing you guys I've made about $780 in 28 days, and it's only going to get better. Find out the person who may have sent you this video. If you get something in the in an email concerning CCF, take a good look at this program, and whoever it was that sent it to you, get back with them and hey, get started. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.